Is everything ready?
Yes, ma, everything done ready.
Sweetheart. What is this? Why did you say this?
Breakfast and top up.
Top up. What? Why would you have this? You already have a loaf of bread, so why are you?
I still want my top up.
Babe.
Leave my daughter alone. She's like her mother.
Oh, what?
I'm waiting in the car, please.
Honey, is that all you have to say? How is she like? Okay, listen, honey. I understand you really want to eat, but you have 2 biscuits already. Why don't you keep this away? Put this.
No, I want to eat all of them.
All at once. And there's still food in a lunchbox.
Yes, madam.
When are you going to stop eating like this? I wasn't like this, so I wasn't this bad.
Mommy, there's nothing bad here.
Nothing bad. Hurry up, hurry up. We're already late for school. Joy!
Madam.
Take the things to the car, take our lunchbox to the car.
Okay, madam.
What is in your lunch box? My lunch, of course. I know it's your lunch. What did you come to school with? Fried noodles and egg with juice. Okay, so can I have a taste? Okay, I'll give you a drink break. No problem. Do you want? Yes. Want more? Oh. It will come with drink. Yes. I want to drink. But I told you that I'll give you drink break. I know. Let me just small. No. Why? It's not that I don't want to give you, but can you please drop all these biscuits and go and take the book away? Or you leave the book, me and you share. I don't want to read. Why? Read your book. I'm not reading. I'm not reading.
Sam, wetin happen now? This say you dey sleep.
I wasn't sleeping
Why now?
because I couldn't sleep. I want to top up.
You don't sleep. You want talk. Sam, wetin be talk up, abeg?
Stop asking me this thing every time I say I want top up. It's not good. Top up is anything you eat after eating food. Ha! After eating the main food, the top up is the next thing you eat.
Okay. Okay. Like waiting now, I fit give you a top up.
You can give me biscuits. You can give me chicken, turkey, cake, anything at all, sweet, juice.
So all this plenty thing like this, you go eat am as top up. No, Sam, I dey fear you. Oh. Shebi no be you I give semo. You say semo no go do you. I can't add extra fufu I suppose stop. 1 hour ago, he even reach 1 hour.
Please, you can just manage it for now.
Sam, you dey fear me. Oh. Okay. Wahala. No, listen.
Okay. Give me all of them. Thank you.
Top up.
What are we celebrating?
Don't tell me you've forgotten that today makes it 10 years of our wedding anniversary.
Oh my God, you remember it? Love you, thank you.
I love you too.
You planned this right? Just a surprise, okay? Anyway, happy anniversary. Congratulations, girl.
I love you, mommy. I love you, daddy.
I love you too. So I want to thank everyone that came for this event. I am really grateful. I appreciate. To my friend here, my mom. Thanks for coming. To you, and to you. And to the event planner, my friend's lovely wife.
Chief planner.
And also before that, I want to appreciate my wife. The wife of my youth. The one that has made me and contributed to what I am today. This is a woman of virtue. And I want to stand before you to say that I love you so much. And I promise not to hurt you in any way.
Oh, God, when?
At this point, let's make a toast.
Yes.
Come on. Take your own.
Okay, shall we toast? We toast to love, affection, and long life. Let's drink.
Wow.
It's time to cut the cake.
Okay, I think we're waiting for the knife to cut this cake.
Yeah.
So after this, we're gonna eat. I have some people in the kitchen that are already preparing our food. We're going to eat and drink to your satisfaction. Okay?
Yes.
On this process, now we're going to cut this cake with love. Now, can we go?
Yes.
Let's go. L O V E.
Please go to the kitchen and tell them it's 10 years, I know. But you're still maintaining beauty.
So, you said previously that I was fat. Now you say I'm beautiful. What changed?
Jokes apart, alright? I'm telling you the truth. You are looking so good this time. I mean...
Thank you. Thank you for always taking care of me.
You
have not stopped loving me one bit.
I will never. I don't have it.
And all I can give is to always look beautiful for you.
Really? My goodness, sometimes when I just look at you and look at those pumps on your heart, oh my goodness, want me to do something like right now? I think I need to do something.
No, hold on.
What?
Please. Remember I told you that we would bring us.
Yes, but today is our 10 years anniversary.
Yes. Don't forget, God has been faithful. He has been wonderful. He has given us so much that we need to thank Him. So let me just pray this midnight. I told you about it. You're aware, right?
What are you talking about? Come on, let's do
No, baby, come. Baby, come. I told you. You're aware.
Are you trying to tell me that you want to deny me of my conjugal right with you?
No, I'm not. I'm just saying for tonight. I will be writing up the prayers this night. Then maybe tomorrow you can.
No, baby, you can't be serious now. Come on, you're joking. Today makes it 10 years. 10 good years of our peaceful marriage, and you are denying. No, you're joking, right?
I'm not.
You are joking.
No. Baby, hold on. I'm not joking. I have a midnight prayer and I'm serious about it.
What sort of nonsense is this? No. What sort of nonsense are you talking about?
Mommy, please. I've
Really?
been doing this prayer for... You're aware.
Really? Even the Bible says you should not deny your husband his conjugal rights, and you're doing this.
I'm not doing that. Honey, please. See.
Hey, it's okay. It's alright. I just hope you don't regret this.
Honey, please. Honey.
I just hope you don't regret this.
Honey. I want to pray. Sorry. Go ahead.
Today we'll be learning the uses of the dictionary. We all know the dictionary is a very important tool for anyone learning a new language. A good student that is learning a new language should make good use of the dictionary. So today I'll be giving you the different methods and usefulness of the dictionary. So number one, write it down. It helps to give you the correct spelling when learning. It also helps to give you the correct pronunciation of any word you come across. It also helps. Sam, why are you eating in my class while I'm teaching? You're hungry. Is this lunchtime? Put that food back inside your lunch bag and concentrate. Where did I stop, guys? Number 3. It helps with tenses if the word is a verb. What number are we? Number 4. You are still eating. Can you put the food back? Are you even writing? We didn't take down anything I've been detecting since. And where's your pen? You will copy from her. Son, I don't like this kind of attitude. How do you intend to pass the upcoming exams? I would definitely relate this to your shenanigan attitude to your parents during the PTA meeting. I will. No, stop writing. What number are we? Number 5. It helps with a proper usefulness of sentences. Is it? So number 7 is it helps you to put the word into sentences. Can you please leave my class? Get out of my class.
What kind of attitude is this? So you get food just to come and eat. Carry your water and go. I won't tolerate it. I don't want any of you to be like that. You get?
Goodness. What's a beautiful girl like you doing here? What is wrong with your car?
I don't know, it just stopped.
Are you sure it's not from your battery head?
I don't know, and I've been hitting the battery head. I don't know what else.
Okay, I don't know. If you don't mind, can I call my my mechanic to come and check it out?
That'd be nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, Lekon. Yeah, a car broke down at Cole Street. Please come there. Come there right now and check it out. All right. Please now. Okay. Please, beautiful. If you don't mind, can we go to the restaurants? Let's just be there and cool off.
No, I'm not that kind of girl. I can't.
No. I just want my mechanic to come and fix it, then bring it to us there. You can't stay here. This is a public space.
Okay, if you insist.
I insist. Come. Hope you like the drink.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Cheers. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, I can't get my eyes off you when I passed you. You know, I was like, what's going on? Why is she there in the sun doing nothing? And I got to realize that your car was having malfunction. But it's okay, I can assure you that a mechanic will bring your car down to this place. Okay?
Thank you.
Am I really that beautiful?
My goodness, you're much more beautiful than anything I thought.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married, but we are not here for that. Okay, I think we should focus on ourselves and how we can impact on each other.
Okay. So, why are we here?
Good. I want to get acquainted with you, if you don't mind.
Man. How serious are you? Because I don't want hit and run.
See, I'm a man of my words. My name is Awaji. When we speak, we do it. So just give me the benefit of doubt and see how far I can go in taking good care of you.
Okay.
I just want a yes.
No, you can't have a yes now. Just give me some time. Let me think about it. Give me some time. Let me think about it.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, I always wait. Drink. You didn't know nothing.
No,
Protein. You good? My friend. Let me call my newfound girlfriend.
Really?
Hello, my beautiful angel. How are you?
Oh, it's you. I'm fine, thank you.
Well, I am okay, but I've not been sleeping well. I have been longing to hear from you based on the proposal.
Yes, but on one condition.
On one condition. What is the condition?
That you won't hit and run.
No, I will not hit and run. Awaji does not hit and run, okay? See, let me tell you something. I am going to take good care of you. I'm an African man. I know how to do that.
But how about your wife?
My wife, she's okay. She's okay. See, I am an African man. I have the rights and I'm entitled to as many wives as possible. As many wives as I want. So don't talk about that. See, just tell me yes. That is what I want to hear.
Okay, I accept.
This is really good. Very, very, very good. You see, let me tell you. I promise you that I will take good care of you. You will not regret. I will never do anything to hurt your feelings. Huh? You are welcome to Awaji's family. I'll call you later. Yeah, bye-bye. She said yes.
My guy.
I mean,
are you there, baby? See, let me tell you. Now your home, now you dig. Come out from that place, there's no road. My grandpapa will doing own. My papa with him, the brothers, they still suffer the pain. My guy, polygamy no good though. As you speed they enter, you go use speed come out.
Hey, don't do. I'm an African man. We are polygamous in nature. You see my papa get 5 wives. 5! Nobody quarrel for one day. They are all living in peace, everybody. Now, where they come out from? So far, say you get money, where you go take care of your wife. You have no problem. I'm an African man. We are polygamous in nature. See, if you see this woman, man, they pay. My brother.
Listen,
you will be polygamous in nature.
I don't go to deceive you. Okay, see, let me just give you an advice. Why can't you last again? If you put them, they leave them. Just last them and push them out. Face your wife. He will help you.
My friend, I know if he hit and run this one. If you see this girl, if you see her santus for back, if you see her citadel for front, my brother, you know go fit hit this one, run. This one, I go keep him for my house. He go there, he go there with me, we go grow old.
But your wife will get the citadel. I bet she not get them.
He gets citadel, but she not gets Lamandi.
My guy.
We need to mix them together.
Abi? Come out for that hole.
I
You go
no
choke
fit.
you.
See, Fawaji family, we know they enter where go chop us. Wait, no worry. Waiter, bring drink for us. More. I go give you more. More they do, more they journey. You go follow me, go make I go pay the dowry of that girl. Come, drink. I feel good. My goodness. Feel so good. Like today is the happiest day of my life.
Are you so happy? Did you win a contract?
Contract?
Yes.
No. What I want is more than a contract. It's a jackpot.
Honey, please share. I want to hear.
Hey. See, this news is for men over beers and bottles rumbling on the table.
No, honey, please now. Just share. I want to hear. Tell me the good news. Let me celebrate with you.
Are you a man now? Go to the kitchen and get me food. I'm famished. I'm so hungry. Go now. Let me go and freshen up. I feel good. Oh my goodness, you are looking so hot tonight.
It's all for you. Thank you.
I like that one. And thank you for accepting my marriage proposal.
And also thank you for keeping to your word.
I will always keep to my word. I told you. I am not here for hit and run. You know what? No one will say this package and test it and run away at the same time.
Guys, I can tell you, this girl I know clear. She no good for marriage. She go carry a bit of shake and knock you down. I tell you. I'm not the supporter for what you want to do now.
No, talk I can't think. Say the package where you say the package where you talk. Now go leave. I beg.
Now what did that confuse you?
Keep this your advice. Keep them.
My guy. It will be a make I go attend to my cousin.
You want you to tell me that? You want to cash out?
I see. It will be it will be now.
Okay. Is everything okay?
Yes. My friend is a very, very funny person.
Okay, so how about the apartment you're supposed to rent for me?
Which apartment?
The one you're supposed to get for me.
No. I'm not renting an apartment for you. See, you come and stay with me in my family house.
With your family?
Are you not my family?
I am your family, but I don't want to stay with your wife. You know I'm fragile.
Oh,
I don't want disturbance, please.
If it's about my wife, don't worry. She's a very peaceful woman.
If she was that peaceful, then why are you marrying me? Not as much.
Honey? Is anybody home?
Wow, this is your home.
Oh, yes. This is my home that was. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You like it?
I love it.
That's good. Yeah, honey, you remember the day I came back, I was so happy. You were asking me what happened.
Yes, I do.
Oh, good. She was the reason.
It's me.
This is my second wife.
What? I don't understand.
What is it I do not understand? Huh?
Honey, please explain. I don't understand what is happening here.
Okay, let me make a proper introduction. You see this elegant looking, beautiful woman here. Her name is Amaka. She's my second wife. And to you, my lovely darling, my sweetheart.
Thank you.
I'm coming.
Okay,
Just relax. This is my first wife. Her name is Atasi.
She's beautiful.
She is.
Thank you so much for the warm reception. Thank you. My name is Amaka, but I prefer you call me Ami, okay?
Can you show me to my room?
You see that? Her name is Amaka, and she prefers to be called Ami.
Can you take me to my room now?
Oh, sure.
My God, I love it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. This life is something else. Oh, this life is full of me.
One Barberry.
Mana, good afternoon. What's your name?
Madam, my name is Uriak.
What does that even mean?
What does it mean?
Your name?
Okay. A prayer I mean.
Hey, you better pray hard so you don't fall into my trap in this house. Because if you do, sorry will be your name.
Okay, madam.
And the next time you wait for me to enter the kitchen to ask for food myself, it will be the last day you walk in this house. Do you understand me?
Yes, madam.
Wait till you want me to prepare your destiny for me, you foolish, stupid girl. Are you mad? Don't you know what is in the roster for lunch? What do you have in the roster?
Apple and the simo and the yam.
Apple?
Yes.
Do I look like someone that eats fufu? I don't. Please go ahead and prepare chicken a la carte for me.
Madam, you say chicken?
I said chicken a la carte.
Madam, I never hear that kind.
Obviously. I know. Because I don't know how you guys eat in this house, in this kitchen. Okay. Let me make it easier for you. Plantain and eggs?
Bad. Madam, plantain and eggs?
Yes.
Madam, this an afternoon, now plantain and egg no go good for you. You know, say you don't, it will make you...
Are you start craving mad? I know, sir, I don't, like, you're calling me fat?
Ha! Madam, I
don't... No, you just called me fat because you were demonstrating.
I know they crazy, and I know if you talk that one for my mouth.
You don't need to talk. I'm not fat, I'm curvy.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Go ahead and do the plantain and eggs, you're not the one eating it. And I give you 10 minutes. I give you 5 minutes and your time starts now. If I don't get my food, I will eat your flesh. I will roast you and eat your flesh.
Madam, you never reach like that.
What's your name again?
Uriak, meaning prayer.
Pray hard so I don't roast you and eat your flesh. Do you understand?
I understand.
Go ahead and make the food. Your time starts now. Get back to work, stupid.
Hey! Oga! Now where you from carry this winch come this house? Winch where they chop person? Ha! Uriak. Now film, now you go start to play for here. Oh wow, chicken. She said she no fat. You no fat, madam, now.
Where? Are you sure? Where are you sure I'm not seeing you? Okay, let me check.
I'm here.
Aha! I can see a very beautiful girl's head. Ah, I saw you. Come on.
Honey, I want to see you in the bedroom, please.
I'm coming. Okay.
I think I want to see you. So let's do another one.
I'm going to close my eyes. Okay?
I'm coming.
Alright?
Hi, very well. Close my eyes.
Yes.
Close my eyes.
Bah. Oh! I got you! I got you! And look at you! Ah! Yeah! Oh my goodness. Oh, let's go.
Honey. Hey. Nekwa balance na mebiki. Daddy, see me, daddy, see me. And the husband will be there doing, hey, I can see you. Hey, come and look for me. Can you imagine? That little brat. Our girl will teach you a lesson. So that girl wants to drag my husband with me. I was on my own. No, this man came to pick me and married me and said he loved me. Now, love her from. I'll teach that little rat a lesson. I even mentioned bedroom. Come and meet me in the bedroom. Awaji did not see me. Because I'm wearing a big girl. He left with his daughter. Daddy, see me.
What did you do for me?
You're regular now. I put rice, stew, and juice.
No put up for me.
No, madam, it be akpa. You and this your top up. I don't put top up, but I know say I put thing they call this thing. Cookies, cookies that you where you like, and then sweet. I still put cashew.
Is that the top up I'm talking about? So let me start with the cookies.
No now. If you reach school, chop out.
No, let me just give me one.
If you reach school, bye yo.
You don't feel like eating. Why? My stomach is aching me. My stomach is aching me. So sorry. Thank you. So you don't want to eat your food at all? Can I eat it for you? Yes. Okay, give me. Thank you. Oh, you even came with this? I like it. I like it. You know, I'll eat the food later. How much you want to eat? You don't like it? Yeah, I like it. Thank you. See, anytime you don't feel like eating, just tell me. I'll eat it for you.
My in-law, how did it happen?
I received a call from the school that my daughter has been rushed to the hospital. On getting to the hospital, I met her lifeless body on the hospital bed.
Teacher, where's my daughter? Where is she? What happened to her? What happened to her? What happened to her? What happened to her? Yeah?
Calm down.
Doctor, calm down.
Yes, we tried our best to save her, but the poison have eaten up her intestine.
I brought my daughter to the school this morning. What did you people do to her? What happened to her?
I can't explain what happened.
You can't explain. You can't explain, though. What?
Take her. That's how it happened.
This is strange.
Oh God. Who would have possibly poisoned her? She was full of life. My son. Cha. Isa was a very lovely girl. Isa is always greeting people. She's always having something to eat in her hand. So, who could she have possibly offended? That's your crew.
But have you reported to the police?
Hey! Hey! I'm going to punish whosoever poisoned my small mother.
I'm here.
Nobody don't share food with me again.
I will still eat with you. Nobody poisoned me. I'm here. Mommy. I'm hungry. Mommy, what's going on? Why are you all crying? What happened? Mommy.
Okay, my dear friend is okay.
But Umana cannot poison me. She cannot poison the food she gave me. So who did? I have to trace this thing. I must find out who poisoned the food.
It's full of misery. They claim they are pushing clarity and truth, but it's really the bad one. Oh no, 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 no. How truly evil their heart is, whether good to them or not.
How are you? Small girl, how are you? I dey talk to myself.
And who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the person you came back with.
Wait. Why did she follow you home? Where is her parents?
You are scaring me. I did not come back with anybody.
So, na spirits follow Bana come back. But wetin kill this small girl now? Wetin kill am? Now wow. Well, I go ask her. Make I go throw away this dirty outside. Come make food for Bana first. Then I go ask her.
Who give you these things where you dey eat? Who give you? Where you collect them from?
Fridge. It's top up. I'm hungry. I've not eaten anything. I'm very hungry. My tummy is biting me. So let me take this one and fill my tummy first before the food will be ready.
Which one is giving? Who even give you permission to go and carry these things? Give you food. You're already eating biscuit and juice and you're still asking for food.
Please, I'm hungry. Please, I'm hungry. Please, now.
Okay. I'll give you food.
Thank you. Let me ask you another question. Why can you see me? Like, why are you able to see me? Are you a spirit too?
No, I no be spirit. But I get gifts where they make me see people don't die. But wait. If I dey see you, let me say you don't die. Wait, oh. You die too. Wetin happen now? Who kill you? How? And why you come this house?
The thing is, I ate a poisoned food that came from this house. And I came to this house to investigate and find the person that poisoned the food.
You ate a poisoned food that came from this house. How? When? Not only me they cook for this house, so. And only me they see dish. I don't understand this one way they talk.
My tongue is biting me.
Wait. You want chop food from the same house where you chop poison food from? You want that the second time?
I don't go die because I don't say no go poison now. Even if you poison now, I don't go still die. I beg don't depend me.
So you dey serious? You want to eat food? Okay. I'll give you food. But see, don't be going around and be touching anything in this house. We're living very, very happy here. Very, very happy. Until Oga brought that Obanje woman. That Obanje woman, everything scattered. Everything turned upside down.
What is Obanje?
Anybody where they chop winch, now my people they call Obanje.
Wow. How do they eat winch? I would like to taste it. Is it nice?
Did they eat winch? Did they drink am? You too like food. See, if you be Obanje, you go dey kill all your family members, they chop them. You go dey kill all of them, they cause problem left and right.
No, that's not the type of one I want to eat. Yes, I want to eat normal one. But is there no normal witch that you can eat?
See, this your chop. Now so you go chop food where you not supposed to chop. I think you know say to keep you for these conditions.
I know, but you know, I want you to help me. Let's find the person that is after my friend's life.
Don't worry, we'll do that one together, yeah? We'll do that one together. Are you done cooking? I'm almost done, ma.
My friend, get ready with that thing before I skin you alive. Baboon. Chalokwa, who drank my juice? Eh? Are you going crazy? What happened to my juice?
Why don't you want to touch anything then?
Why are you talking to your... Are you crazy?
No, ma.
Now what? No, you're crazy. Because you're talking to yourself. Stop. Come on, get ready with that food.
Sorry, ma.
You put me into trouble one day. What is it now?
No, that time I was telling you that I want to drink something.
Don't be touching that fridge. If you want to drink anything, tell me, I'll buy for you.
Okay, I want to drink something.
I'll buy. Later.
Even this. But who is she?
That's the Obanje I was telling you about. Did you see it? Evidence of Obanje.
Don't worry. I'll help you and fight. Sorry for the issue.
Oh, no be problem, mo. See, now Oga they blame, no be even she. Because if Oga no carry her come for this house, she no get to. If she see me outside, talk to me like this, I go break her bone. I don't be problem. I don't blame her. Now that's nonsense human being. I'm serious. Don't be touching that thing. Don't be touching the speech. Don't go there.
So, when will you
Is it because I promised I'll buy for you? I'll buy.
It's full of mystery.
You never still learn your lesson. Even as you be spirit, you never learn your lesson. You just be chopping you. You get luck say spirits when you die, for that you do. Be very careful.
Oh no. How truly evil their heart is. Whether good to them or not. That was
It's my madam and that stupid girl. That foolish girl that doesn't have respect. Since when that girl entered this house, now so problem.
She doesn't have respect.
One single respect she doesn't have.
That's the way she's insulting her family. Wow.
Yeah. After all said and done, you have to try to trust no one.
Oh, you're very mad. Something is wrong with your head. Rubbish. Something is wrong with your head. You're very stupid. I know you're jealous. I know you're very. And why would I be jealous of you? Please, commenting you. You know that. I'm not going to tell her. You can't. This house. Am I home? Because I came to help you around the house. I could not arrange. How is it my woman? This is what? This is what? I just have a little woman. I have a little. What do you do? That is this family. I'm never going to do. I don't know how to do this. If I'm backing like a dog, then you back with me. What are you doing now? You're backing now. You're backing now. Yes. Come on, sit down. I'll beat you. You know you're cold. If I ever see you like I do, you see our husband got not to. Is that? Follow me. You're very stupid. Move inside. I don't understand. Remove this nonsense from here now. I don't understand. In my house. You want to spoil my parlor? My parlor. He said, my parlor. You're looking for trouble. I will drag you. He said, I will drag you. You cannot. Look at this dumb baby mama. Did they marry this? Did you pay your bride price? Is it your business? I am legally married. Look at this man. That means home training. Oh, thank God you have a daughter. You cannot be trained well. That is way trained than you. Way trained. Your manner. That's why. You're very, very stupid. Is that one a baby girl? No! Very, very wonderful baby girl. I will beat you. Do you have any? I will beat you. You cannot. I will deal with you. You say, you're married. I will beat you. You say, I will beat you. Try it now. Try it now. Try it. Beat me. I have respect for our husband. I will beat you. Just try it. Hey, baby, honey, how are you?
What is this?
I'm sorry. Are you mad? I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Hey, she's carrying you up and you're standing up. Sorry. Leave me alone. Leave me again.
Thank you, my beautiful wife.
So you cannot carry me. So you cannot hold me.
To try to trust no one.
Nonsense. I don't blame you people. Don't you know you're a dog? You're supposed to hold me firm now.
You were trying to welcome me and you fell me down.
Why did you hold me?
Sometimes you act like a lunatic. Look at my trousers. Huh? How am I supposed to walk?
Just go upstairs and freshen up.
This life
is
full of me.
Follow your husband. I'm not even follow him. He said what? I will beat you. Baby,
life, it's full of mystery. I'd rather leave my fears and fight my battles on my own. Ooh, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Amaka, what has come over you? Look at you drinking yourself up like a drunkard. You can't even concentrate. You can't do things straight without making mistakes. Huh?
I'm trying to help you here. I'm trying to satisfy you. You can't see it.
What did you just say?
I am trying to satisfy you. Nothing can satisfy you.
No, you shouldn't be the one saying you're trying to satisfy me. Satisfy who? You that can't even wash that ordinary teacup.
Can't you wash? Don't you have hands? Don't you have 2 hands? You can't wash? You can wash the cup yourself if you didn't like it when I washed.
So what exactly are you doing in my house if you cannot help in the house chores? What good are you? No, tell me if I have to wash the cups by myself as your husband. So what?
I am not your slave. If you want someone to wash your cup, get a maid. Amaka, it's not your slave. Okay?
My goodness. What have I gotten myself into? What mess have I gotten myself into?
Awaji, are you calling me a mess? Or our relationship a mess?
I will say it again. You are a bunch of mess.
No, you are the mess.
Hey. Better help yourself.
Yeah, God will help me. Go.
Finish the bar. Finish all the alcohol.
Oh, God.
Nonsense.
I love you too. You see, you little rat. Yes. The next time you greet me in this house, I will break this your ear. Fool! Little brat! Swine!
Wana? Wetin do you now? Why you dey cry? Wetin happen? Who beat you?
Aunt Amaka dragged my hair. She said that I should not greet her again.
You should not greet her again?
Yes.
If she said you should not greet her again, no greet am now. No dey greet am. That one no be problem. Now why you dey cry? You don't do. No dey greet am. Make peace reign. Go inside.
Teacher is listening for touching my friend.
So you talk now. Anything you want do am, do am. What do they do? Amaka this, Amaka, we go run for you. What do they do? Babe.
Yes, babe.
Come. I made your favorite meal. Come.
Coming.
Okay.
I trust you. The aroma is something else.
I know.
I would like to test this.
Babe, what?
What?
Jesus. What is it on it?
What nonsense? What kind of poison did you put here?
Me? Babe.
It's the poison you prepared. Eat it! Yes.
Babe, I swear to God, this is not... It's not what I prepared for you, honey.
So what did?
I don't know what happened.
No, you want to tell me that a spirit came to my house, entered the kitchen, and prepared this nonsense for me?
Babe, I swear, this is not what I made.
It's what you prepared by yourself and not for me. Nonsense.
Oh yeah, yeah. This life is something else. This life is full of mystery. This life is something else. This life,
I don't have money to buy a top-up again. Since that wicked woman entered this house, she has stopped us from buying snacks. I don't have money.
Don't worry, I'm coming. Let me get some money.
Come here. Money from where?
Just calm down. Wait for me.
I should wait till you come. Wait!
You see that? It's almost a goal.
That's why I don't like it.
This one I don't like something else.
You complain too much. Yeah, enter please. Enter and go and play. Oh, please.
Why did you off the TV now?
Why did I off the TV?
This is what I don't like about you. I know you don't like football, but look, on this TV job.
What is wrong with you? Did you see the remote in my hand? It's on.
Stop this.
How is it me?
Stop it. That's very disrespectful. Don't do this again.
It wasn't me.
Stay on. What's going on now?
I don't know.
Are you with the remote or what?
No,
what's going on?
That's the remote.
It's back. Are you sure you don't have a spare remote?
I don't.
Trust you. Again?
I don't know what's going on.
No. Wait. At this point, this is very, very disrespectful. Alright? I'm going to leave you here and go to my room and watch this thing in peace.
What?
Did you slap me?
How did I slap you?
Did you slap me?
I'm sitting there, you're standing. How did I slap you?
What's going on? Have you gone nuts? Huh? You mad?
You slapped me?
I will slap you again and again.
Guy, no drum again. No try slap me again. Don't try it.
Honey, what is
Don't you dare slap me again.
And don't disrespect me in my house. You don't do that.
Honey, please calm down. What is it?
She slapped me.
What? I did not. Oh, shut up.
Now
As
listen
if you
to
don't
me.
like it.
Please, honey, please.
Hey, listen to me. I am your husband. I'm not a child. You don't wake up one morning and slap me like a puppet. I'm not a child.
I did not.
Honey, please calm
Now,
down. Please.
let this be the very last time you will do this.
Honey, please.
Nonsense.
Calm down, honey. Honey!
What did you do again? You did crazy? Are you mad? You come and follow your stupid madam.
I don't know what is really going on. My husband has drastically changed. He doesn't trust or believe anything I say. What should I do? God, I'm so confused. Everything I do works against me. Oh Lord. Amaka, think of the next thing to do. Think of the next step. Ah, God. But he said I slapped him. I was sitting down, he was standing. How did I... What's going on? Something is wrong. Something is wrong.
If you plan finish, I'll scatter all your plans. What do you do?
Bona, hope you enjoy this.
Oh, honey. Oh. Yes, thank you. I have good news for that. Honey, I am pregnant.
You're pregnant.
Yes. Open it.
What? You are pregnant? Oh my God.
Yes.
Are you okay? Amaka, are you fine?
Tell me.
What is this?
What?
What is this coming out? Gushing out from your lap. Check
What is that?
My goodness.
Lord! My baby, honey, my baby, baby. My baby, my baby! My baby, they've taken my baby!
Where's the...
Help! My baby! My baby! Oh no!
Sorry, have this.
It's something else. This life is full of mystery. This life is something else. Oh. This life, oh, 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 is full of mystery. They claim they are pushing clarity and truth, but it's really the bad one. Oh no, 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 no. How truly evil their heart is, whether good to them or not, that will still bring you down. Oh no, oh no, no. In the world cycle, oh, we are living in today. Things happen, plan on plan, no.
I'm so sorry for your loss.
Sorry for what? Are you sorry? Why exactly are you sorry?
I'm not here to fight. I just want to say sorry.
I do not need your sympathy. Amaka is fine. Alright.
It's okay. I don't know, showing you sympathy will cause you more pain.
Listen, I am good. I'm fine. I'm going to conceive again. I'm not like you that didn't conceive again after one child. Okay? I'm okay.
Why are you very troublesome? I'm full of hate. I am supposed to be the one to hate you again. Talk to me now. What's in they happen? Why your face dey like this? Talk, John.
I came to this house to find out who poisoned the food that killed me. But since I came, I've not been able to figure out or place my head on something.
It's your power now. Yes. Use your power, your spirit power. I be for spirit word. Una no get that kind of power.
I'm trying to concentrate. But with the whole thing happening in this house, it's distracting me.
That what you talk now, eh? That what you talk now, not true. Not true, you talk. But everything that happen for this house, you reach to distract person. You reach. But see, don't worry. We'll figure something out. We'll always find a way for you to concentrate.
Why would
Keep
you
your
hate
face
me?
like this.
Am I the one that said you should not position your weight well? That's why your husband is. Why? Am I the one that made you not to satisfy your husband? Why would you hate me? You should be thanking me for saving your marriage. Rubbish.
You're just impossible. I don't blame you.
Please go! Wicked witch, wicked woman. As if you're not happy. Nonsense. No, I will conceive again. I will carry things in this my stomach soon. Rubbish. Don't even know why this man brought me to this house. I begged him, take me to another house. I've been in my own mansion. You're not happy.
Let your will be my will. Let your wish be my wish. Oh, don't let your way be my way. I commit it all to you. I submit my life to you. Let your will be my will. Let your wish be my wish, Lord. Oh, let your way be my way. I submit it all to you. I submit my life to you. I just want you to be glorified. In my life, glorified. I just want you to be glorified in my life. I just want you to be glorified. Liberaros. Nimosate que pararos, liberaros. Nimosate que pararos, nimosate que pararos. Nimosate que pararos, nimosate que pararos.
I called both of you because I do not understand why you all cannot tolerate each other since for a while now. I don't know, Atasi, You've always been a very, very humble woman. Before I got married to my second wife. What happened?
So, are you saying I'm the troublemaker here? You're saying I'm because of all the problem I'm in?
I never said
No,
so.
no, that's what you're trying to imply.
I never said so. Atase, answer me. What has gone wrong?
Is this why you call me? Is this the reason why you called this?
What? Atase!
It's the first wife walked out. I have to respect her too. She doesn't even have respect for you.
Amaka. Amaka, you too? What is going on in this house? Have everyone gone mad?
Are you sure Ogbana is not responsible for all the problems I've been passing through in this house? Yes, now. Why did she not die after I poisoned her food? Why? Or maybe she even died. Or maybe I'm even talking to a ghost. Because I don't understand it. Why?
So she poisoned the food.
I really need a miracle of God. Why?
She's the one that poisoned the food. You poisoned the food. You hear from me. You are evil and you hear from me.
Oh yeah, yeah. This life is something else. Oh. This life is full of mystery. This life is something else. Oh. This life is full of mystery. They claim they are pushing clarity and truth.
Mommy, I've seen the person that poisoned the food that killed me. I promise you, I'll find a way and expose her. Mommy, can you hear me? Mommy, I want you to know this person. I want you to do something about it. Mommy, Daddy. Mommy, can you hear me?
You have to try not to trust no
Daddy.
one.
Daddy.
And the midst where there is no one to trust.
You're not sleeping. You're crying.
I'm fine. Just go back to bed.
Oh. You are not sleeping. You asked me to go back to bed and you're crying.
And you just said I'm fine.
You're not fine. You're sleeping.
This life, is full of
Please.
mystery.
I would like you to go to my house and send a message to my parents.
That one no go possible. Wetin I wan tell them? I wan take a start.
I know it will be hard, but I just want you to try. Please. Just go to them. Tell them you saw their daughter and you have a message for them.
That one go hard though. That one go hard. It go really, really hard because I don't even know as I want to start to explain myself, give them. You think say everybody believes say ghosts they exist? That no go possible. No go easy.
But you can try. You know, just try. Please. Please.
It's okay. I don't hear you. Go.
Thank you.
So it's now I want to tell them.
Okay, you can just tell my mother that you saw me. Okay, just start this way. Tell her how I eat. I believe with that. She'll believe you are sure of what you're saying. Then after saying that, tell her I already told you who killed me and how I died.
You know that this way me and you dey do. This conversation with me and you dey do. Plenty people no believe say that kind thing dey exist o. If I go first, she go first look me as person wey dey mad. And because I like you, I know they like this kind of waka. How they go this kind of waka? If not, I for no go.
Thank you.
So give me your house address.
No problem, I will.
I'm only doing this because I like you. Nothing else.
Thank you.
My name na Ndiak. Abeg, I want see people wey get this house.
You wan see people wey get this house? You dey find work?
I want see people wey dey find this work. Dem get around, I no dey find work.
You go see them now. Wetin be your mission?
Nah, about their daughter inside.
Your daughter inside. But the kid don die now.
Na wetin carry me come? Abeg, leave this long talk. Go call person wey dey house. So they no dey.
I know say you never see that house.
You know the kind of house wey I dey live. You know as that one fine.
Stand for here, wait, stand for here. Madam, see her. Say she wan see you.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Your daughter and son, and she sent me.
My daughter. Which daughter are you talking about? My daughter died some months ago. So who sent you?
I know say she don't die. Now why I come here?
You mean my dead daughter sent you to me?
Exactly.
Listen, hold on. I do not have much time for Vegas. I don't know whatever it is you're up to. Are you here to scam? If you're a scammer or you want to ask for help or in any way, why don't you just go straight to the point instead of coming here to tell me my dead daughter sent you to me?
See, I know wetin she go. I know how she take convince me. E no dey easy for me to come here because I know say no go believe me.
Just shut up. Listen, my daughter is dead and I do not want you to start bringing back memories. So get out of my house.
She say make I come deliver message give you.
I said get out.
Make I give you the message.
But get out of my house, are you stupid? Get out! You're like one of those people that subscribe to this idiot.
They get message when she say make I.
My dead daughter sent
Yes.
you. My daughter sent you to me, my late daughter. Look at these scammers. Oh, you think? Oh, you think if you come to me to tell you my daughter sent you, I would give you money? You must be. Lock that gate.
No vex, abeg. Don't go, abeg. No.
Joy, did you plan with this thing to scam me?
No.
Did you?
I no plan, madam. No vex, abeg. It no go happen again.
I was surprised. I was really surprised when she said our late daughter sent her. Maybe she noticed we lost our daughter.
I'm even shocked. People can be that wicked without conscience.
Exactly. It baffles me that normal humans can be so wicked and they would want to scam or steal from someone without even feeling any form of remorse. Nothing. I mean, why would you want to scam people? People that just lost their child. It's absurd.
Darling, it's okay. I don't blame her. It's death that I blame.
Whatever it is, they should just let my daughter rest in peace. Let her soul rest in peace, please. She's too young for these things. What is this? Why would someone just come from nowhere and suddenly lose her child? Does she expect us to believe it?
Thank God you did not give her a listening ear.
Of course I wouldn't listen to that rubbish. Who would listen to that? Why? Should I prepare your meal?
Thank you. It's okay.
Okay, let me just go. It's really annoying. Joy!
This life is full of mystery.
I don't ever go there again. See, you no go ever see this my 2 legs again. I no go ever go there. Why they come? Like say, sister, give me. You were not there. I didn't you saw the kind of insult your mother gave to you. You will not be asking me to go back there. Make them pour me acid because of you.
Your mother is not wicked. If you want me to go with you, I'll go. I'll go with you if that's what you want.
How she want take see you? Eh? Your brain they go that one at all. How she want take no say you did there?
I know. At least I will just remind you of some of our discussions. Some of my discussions with her. I know with that she will believe I said.
After all said and done, you have to try.
Madam, I go suggest say make we hear wetin this girl get to talk. If it be say na truth she dey talk.
What nonsense truth does she have to say?
Damn, we no go know if na truth or lie if we no hear wetin she get to talk.
That girl is obviously a fraudster. Come to think of it, what does she even know about my late daughter?
See, madam, you see things like this, e dey happen. Na normal thing for my village. I don see am. Na why I say make we just give her a try. If it be truth.
Joy, don't be ridiculous. Things like this happen only in Nollywood movies, not reality. It doesn't happen.
Madam, it would better make our two sit down and watch this film together. Eh? It would be better like that.
Joy. Why are you so sure of the nonsense she has to say?
Damn, because this my eye, so it don't weakness her. No be one, no be two, no be na normal thing, madam. We'll just try. I beg, madam. Beg.
This life is something else. Oh. This life is full of mystery.
Babe. Stop!
This
okay? I thought you were fine now.
I don't know.
Oh, wait. I thought you were fine now since you came back from the psychiatric hospital. Have you started? Oh, can you just tell me? Just tell me. What's stopping you? You okay?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Take it easy. What did you say?
I don't know.
What did you say?
I don't know. Somebody was flogging me. They stopped. Babe, they stopped.
My goodness. Do you want us to go back to the hospital?
No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
I'm not mad.
I don't need to disrespect you. Are you fine now?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go inside.
Okay, baby. Go first. No, now you're the man. Go now.
And the place where there's no one to trust. Oh yeah. This life.
Honey, I really need to speak to you concerning your wife, Amaka. What is really happening to her? I don't. Is there something she's not telling us?
I don't understand. What do you...
Are you not seeing all the happenings?
What's happening?
Today, another drama. Tomorrow, another one.
Oh, you're right. I don't know what is really going on. You know, at first I thought she's now mentally derailed, but the doctor confirmed she's okay.
Honey, I think this is a spiritual problem. We need to solve it before it gets out of hand.
I do not think so. I feel the trauma of losing her baby, you know, got her to that point. Maybe, just maybe, she will come around. What? You are smoking in my house?
Honey, what is wrong in smoking? Your gas almost hurt my fingers. Ashtray, please. Huh? Ashtray. You see? Forget it. Don't forget it.
Amaka.
I just need to calm myself.
Amaka, listen to me. I want to ask a question.
Hit me.
What is really going on? Is there anything you are hiding?
Like what? I don't have secrets. I'm an open book. Amaka is an open book.
Okay. Are you having some sort of spiritual problem?
Oh, that's so. I'm glad you asked. The only spiritual problem I'm having is with your wife and your miserable daughter. What? If you dare call my daughter and I miserable and a witch, I will make sure I kill you. You will not do shit. You will not do shit. You're sick. You know I'm sick now. You are sick.
Enough! What has gotten into the both of you? I'm here trying to settle what is going on in this house. And the next thing is you both want to start fighting each other.
Well, you should help her. Well, I'm done here. She needs help. You see? She's even walking out of you. She just won't walk out. You're not saying anything. You better help her. She needs help. Useless woman. You're the one that is the misery and the rage. Not my daughter. This is just the beginning.
This life is something else. This life.
Go and marry your life. Me, I'm not giving my hope for anybody.
This life is something else. This life, oh, oh, oh. misery. They claim they are pushing clarity and truth.
Babe, talk to me. What's going on with you?
Nothing. Baby, you think I have a clue of what's happening?
Okay. You can confide in me. Hmm? Did you offend anybody?
No. You know I can't hurt a fly. Babe, no.
Sorry I hurt you with that words. I just don't understand what's going on.
Babe, do you trust me?
100, why not?
So you know I can hurt a fly. I'm an angel. Huh?
I think what's going on shouldn't give me a worry.
No, I don't know.
Right. So now I love you, right?
Okay. I want you to follow me to my house so that I will drop a message to my parents.
Tomorrow. Why tomorrow? I got plenty things to do. Why you want me to go tomorrow?
My time is almost up.
Time. I don't understand that way you talk now. Which one be your time is almost up?
The time they give me to find my killer.
Did they give you that time? I saw that for spirit side. Yeah.
I know if I don't find my killer now, my time is up. You know the time they give me now will be useless. So it's better I just tell my parents that I've found the person that killed me, so I don't know what to do.
Okay, no problem. I'll go with you. I just pray you won't believe. You're sounding very sure.
I know. See, as far as I'm going with you, I'm very sure that
Okay.
Oh Lord, my maker. You are my creator. The one who gave me life. You are the same God who gave me my daughter's son. And she was taken away from me. Father, Lord.
Mommy, I've seen the person that killed me.
God, if there is anyone anywhere that is responsible for my child's death, oh God, may the person know no peace.
She's suffering already. I'm making her suffer.
Oh God.
Mommy.
May they live in tribulations all their life.
Mommy, can I get food? I'm hungry.
May they live in anguish. God, for they have taken that which you gave to me. As a mother, I call upon you because you said we should call upon you in times of trouble. You shall hear and deliver us. Father, you said we should call your name, oh Jehovah Nissi, and I'm calling upon you, Lord, because you're my stronghold. The only one I can run to. God, if there is anyone anywhere that took my child away from me, God, let your wrath rest on that person. Oh, earth, hear my voice. Open up and swallow such person.
Mommy, it's okay. I'm sorry for causing you this pain.
But you said we should call upon you in times of trouble. You shall hear and deliver us. My heart is heavy, Lord. My heart is heavy. God, please grant my
my daughter a perfect rest. And I need strength, Lord. I need strength. Console me.
It's okay.
Do this for me, Baba. You've never failed me. I call upon you. The morning, at noon, in the middle of the night. And you hear my plea. Father, let your wrath rest upon that person and their household. Let the water they drink turn to acid. Let the food they eat be poisoned. Let the earth they step on, let it be fire that consumes them. Let the works of their hand work against them. Let their life be cut short because wickedness is in their dwelling, and you said there shall be an end to the wicked. But I let their end be today.
Oh yeah. This life is something else.
Maybe God is angry with me for poisoning that little girl's food. Maybe she's a spirit, and her spirit is disturbing me. But I'm not even seeing any spirit. Or is it my mind playing tricks on me? Oh God, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. God help me. My mind is playing tricks on me.
There is really a bad one. Oh no, 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 no. How truly evil.
Babe, how was your day?
The day was good. I miss you so much.
I miss you too. Babe, you know what? You know what?
What?
I'm ovulating.
Are you serious? It's the best time for us to have
Yes, babies.
Wow, I can't wait.
What? Babe, what? Baby, what? What happened? What is wrong? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you now?
I feel a touch.
You feel a touch?
Someone is touching my scrotum.
Someone is touching your scrotum. Why this night? Babe, why?
This life is something else.
Babe.
This life, is full of misery. I'd rather leave my feet.
Meet my husband. I'm sure you've met Joe. I greet all of you. My name na Oriak. And I get gifts where they make me see spirit. For house where they live, na house girl. And now for that same house where they do house girl work, now inside your daughter meet me.
Young girl, what are you talking? What are you actually up to?
Tell my daddy I miss him and I need to top up used to buy for me. I'm going to school.
She say, make I tell you, say she dey miss you. And she dey miss that top up where you dey buy for her anytime where you carry and they go school. All those things where you dey buy for car give her. She say she dey miss her.
Yes, even Auntie Joy. I wish I could call her. See Auntie Joy.
Joy, she say make I she dey miss you.
Tell my daddy that I want justice. Tell him.
She said she wants justice.
Yes. And my mom tell her that I miss her so much. She no worry that another child is coming. And that baby comes. That she should make sure she train that baby well. She should not allow that baby to do the same thing I'm doing because she had been trying to train me, but I refused. I was so ignorant. And now see where they ignore.
She say make I tell her. Say she need justice. Now my Oga wife, or my Oga second wife, now poison the food where my Oga only picking supposed chop. And that same food in San carry go chop. Now that food, now kill him.
What? You mean the poisoned food my daughter ate was meant for another person?
Yes.
And another child is coming from her. But she should make sure she train that child. She should not allow the child to do the same thing now. Because it's ignorance that let me do this thing.
Auntie, she say, make I tell you, say make you know they cry. Say, she dey miss you too. And another pikin, they come.
Shut up, young lady. What are you talking?
She tell me I dey talk.
Talk what?
Tell me. She say if that pikin come, make you train am well.
I said shut up, it's enough. Shut up.
She told me
I want to talk. Tell her, is my daughter here? Is she here?
She dey here with me.
My daughter is here.
Yes.
Tell her I want to hold her. Let me just go to my daughter. Let me hold my daughter. I want to feel my daughter. Baby.
Tell my daddy to bring any top up that I will take it.
Tell her I want to see her. Tell my daughter I miss her so much. Let me just hold her.
I miss her too.
Sorry, your mama said she can't see you. That one go hard.
Tell my daddy to bring the top up. I'll take it and take it.
Okay. She said, may you bring top up, keep her here.
Oga, e get one top up wey I buy last for her before she go school. She no return. E dey inside.
Go and bring it. Go and get it. Fast.
Go. So my baby is here. Baby, I miss her so much. She.
No, madam.
Baby. Baby. Baby, please, I know you can.
Auntie, she said make you know they cry.
I'm not crying.
She make you know they cry.
I'm not crying now. I just want, tell her I want to hold. Okay, let her just come. Let me just hold her. Let me carry my baby now for the last time. I will let her go. Let me carry her. Let me just hold her. Let me feel her. Let me feel her.
Auntie,
They cry.
Enough. Give us the address. Give us the address of the house, please. Please.
Sir,
no, they cry, I beg. No, they cry.
I'm not crying. Baby. Come. I'm not crying, I'm fine. I'm not crying.
What's that? What's going on?
Who's in the
A ghost?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
Go now, go and check.
Ghosts?
Yes. You can't see. Can see any ghost?
No. You
See a ghost. I'm not okay. No, can't see a ghost.
There is no ghost here. I'm here. There is no ghost anywhere.
I know this is what you say. Why am I the only one seeing the ghost?
Baby, you only need to. Yeah. Right.
This life is something else.
Yes.
Oh. This life, is full of misery. They claim they are pushing clarity and truth, or is really the bad road? How truly evil their heart is, whether good to them or not, that will still bring you down. Oh no.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Detective John from the State Police Command. And this is my colleague. This is my colleague. Dave, do you know this man? You must be Amaka.
No. Who's the Amaka?
Then where is Amaka?
Yes.
It's inside. After you. Go.
This life is something else. This life.
So I'm so happy today.
Yes, sir.
Very, very happy. Do you know why? Remember the contract I've been bidding for 5 years. Today I was in my office and the clients came to my office. I was so surprised. What's going on? Boom, we started talking, and they asked me for the file. They went through it. They signed and awarded that contract to me.
Congratulations, Sally.
This calls for celebration.
Yes!
I'm so.
Good evening, everyone.
Who are you?
My name is Inspector Dan, and that's my colleague over there, Sergeant David. Who is Amaka?
This is Amaka.
She is.
This is Amaka. You are Amaka.
Officer, don't mind her. She's a maka. She has been behaving straight since morning.
Inspector. She's Amaka.
No, you are the Amaka.
You're under arrest
Okay.
for the murder of some Miss Nsang Daniel.
Oh, so you're not only a husband snatcher, but a murderer too.
Oh, officer, should I teach you your job? You don't know now. You should have said the poison. That food was actually meant for your daughter. Yes, I wanted to kill her so that she'll leave my dear husband alone. Jesus Christ. Yes, because I was jealous. Why did you not eat it? Because you were taking my husband's love away from me. And now, the two not eat it. Not eat it.
Officer, please, please disregard her behavior.
Please, please,
since
I'll
morning
behave.
she has been behaving
I'll
mentally
behave
deranged.
well.
Who poisoned who?
This lady here poisoned my daughter. My daughter, Nsang, was a classmate and a friend to your daughter.
That means your daughter had long throat. She ate what belonged to another. What did she die? Why did you not die? Why did you not eat that food?
She will not die. We can't do, man.
Wait. Ubana, do you know her?
Yes, yes. She's my classmate.
Oh, she had long throat. She must have long throat. That's why she ate the food that was meant for another person. Jesus Christ. Whoa.
Amaka,
Yes, sir.
you heard the police.
Yes.
Did you do it?
Yes. I cannot lie. Yeah, because she was getting too much attention from you, honey. Come.
Hey, come on.
I wanted to take you away from
How can you be so wicked and callous at the same
It's
time?
no wickedness. I was possessing my possession.
What position are you talking about?
You.
Madam, you're under arrest for anything you do or say will be used against you in the court of law.
Okay. Honey, come to the station and take me. Let's go. Let's go, sir. Let's go. You don't have handcuff. Bye, sir. Let's go.
Just happened.
Oga, I knew it. Since when that madam entered this house, I dey see and say her way no clear. Nothing good about that woman. God forbid.
Baby, I'm really sorry. I brought this onto us. I'm sorry for the pain and everything I've caused you. Please forgive me. allowed my quest for self-satisfaction to destroy what we shared. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Please, just forgive me. I'm sorry. No, I could not stand up to you. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
This life is full of mystery. This life is something else. Oh, this life, is full of misery. They claim they are pushing clarity and truth. Oh no. In the world cycle, we are living in today. Things happen planned, unplanned, no. Yeah. After all said and done, you have to try to trust no one. And the midst where there is no one to trust. Oh yeah. This life is something else. Oh, this life is full of misery. This life is something else. Oh, this life, is full of misery. I'd rather leave my fears and fight my battles on my own. Ooh, yeah. This life is something else. Oh, this life is full of misery. This life is something else. Oh, this life, is full of misery.